Hello friends, today we are going to read some daily use words. So let us begin. The first word is apple. A double P L E apple. Banana. B A N A N A banana. Cat. C A T cat. Dog. D O G dog. Table. T A B L E table. Chair. C H A I R chair. Window. W I N D O W window. Door. D double O R door. Pen. P E N pen. Pencil. P E N C I L pencil. Book. B double O K book. Bag. B A G bag. Clock. C L O C K clock. Fan. F A N fan. Car. C A R car. Bus. B U S bus. Cup. C U P cup. Plate. P L A T E plate. Bottle. B O double T L E bottle. Spoon. S P double O N spoon. Shoes. S H O E S shoes. Shirt. S H I R T shirt. Pillow. P I double L O W pillow. House. H O U S E house. School. S C H double O L school. Mobile. M O B I L E mobile. Key. K E Y key. Towel. T O W E L towel. Brush. B R U S H brush. Bangle. B A N G L E bangle. Cupboard. C U P B O A R D cupboard. Bed. B E D bed. Frock. F-R-O-C-K. Frog. So friends, today we read some words which we use every day. Now read all these words again and write in your notebook neatly. Then learn all these words. Thank you.